The next thing we want to do is we like to talk about what's known as our Whissel Widget of the week. And this is something that we're utilizing in our business to make more money, save time, or just have more fun. What do you got for us today, Brian?
So I saw this ad on Instagram, which I think Instagram is great for buying stuff. Because every time I go on Instagram, I feel like every time I buy something new. So I saw this on Instagram. Then I did some research, found a cheaper version, and bought that. But the cool thing about this is it'll allow people to see what you're doing from a kind of first-person point of view. So kind of if you think of the first-person shooter video games, of the Call of Duty, where you can see the people's hands, it's the same kind of thing. So I thought this would be really cool to bring on for like a photo shoot or when we're doing behind the scenes of everything East County. I thought this would be really cool. And so I got it for like $15. It came directly from China, sterilized and everything. And what it is, Kyle's going to laugh. It's really nerdy. Hold on, let me. Oh, no, I can't do it that way. Struggling right now.
We both have wearable widgets today.
So it's this little neck holder for your cell phone. So you put your cell phone right in here. Tom's just shaking his head. You put your cell phone here.
This is like an infomercial gone bad. Have you used this yet?
No.
This looks so stupid.
I haven't. I mean, I've tried it on, but I haven't done a photo shoot yet. So no, I haven't used it. But you put your phone here.
How much did you waste on this?
Like $11. There you go.
Don't submit that for reimbursement.
I don't. I didn't know we could do that. Oh, that's good. Anyways, you put your phone on here. You can do like a Facebook Live. I think it's pretty nifty. It gives it a really unique point of view.
What the fuck? This is for real?
Yeah, for real.
April Fool's was last month. Holy shit.
I like it.
Yeah.
I'm going to do it.
Yeah, I can't wait to watch. All right.
Fine.
All right, my widget is something that is essentially required right now in many places across the country, including here in San Diego County. And they're requiring that you wear a face mask. And if you know how we roll, we don't like to do things like everybody else. So we got these custom branded Gators, which are pretty cool because now when we're shooting our videos, when we're meeting with clients and
going to the bank,
we're just going to the bank and to the restaurants and getting food and all that stuff, we get to rock our brand right across our face, literally. And these have been a hit. People have been loving these, asking, where did you get those? That's so cool. So these have been awesome. And so they obviously work to cover your face, but there's a lot of other things. Like I used to wear Gators for fishing because when you go fishing, you're out on the ocean in the water and the sun is reflecting off the water and it sunburns your face. So I've actually worn Gators for a long time, but now they have come in very, very handy during COVID. So branded Gators is what we're rocking.
And so explain what a Gator is for those listening.
So, I mean, it's essentially a tube of fabric, but you can wear it as a face mask. You could wear it as a headband. You could, keep yourself warm in the wintertime. I mean, there's a lot of different uses for this bad boy.
Help me settle this debate real quick. Did you ever cut the sleeves off of your T-shirt and wear them as like a Gator, either a headband or over your face?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Why wouldn't you?
I mean, I did it.
Yeah.
My wife thought I was crazy.
Yeah.
I was like, of course I've done it.
Yeah.
Tom, have you done it? Okay. Well, Tom's not cool enough yet.
They're more commonly worn as like head socks, but
Yeah.
it's a freaking tube of fabric
Tube of
is
fabric.
what it is.
Yeah.
But it's a nice flexible tube of fabric, and now it's branded and it looks gangster.
I really wish I could say it looks stupid, but I designed it.
It's
So
nowhere near as stupid as that thing you just hung around your neck.
Dude, I think it's cool. I think it's cool. Let me know if you think it's cool. No one's going to say it's cool. Damn it.
All right, guys. Hopefully you got value out of today. If nothing else, you got a good laugh. If you're watching, if you're just listening, make sure to check out our YouTube channel, which you can get to via thewhisselway.com. And you can check out this ridiculous contraption that Brian bought off Instagram. You can
I actually bought it off on Amazon.
Okay.
I didn't buy the $70 version one. I bought the $14 or $11 one.
You can also ask us questions via our Facebook group and find out about upcoming events like our Media Mayor Mastermind, which is a 2-day deep dive into everything Brian and I have learned shooting videos for 5+ years together. So go to thewhisselway.com. Thank you so much for tuning in to this episode of the Whissel Way podcast. Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.